Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I have my first unboxing of the new year for you. So I've had this one in my stash for a little while, but this month is the Jeremiah Kettner event, so it's the perfect opportunity for me to get this out and get working on it. So as you can see, this is from Diamond Art Club. It is a round, you can tell by the pink stripe on the box and the round symbol here, and it gives us a nice little image of the canvas there. So let's get inside. I have had this out for a bit of a look before because I am hoping to add some additional diamonds to the painting. So, right. So we've got our pack of diamonds. I'll have a look at that in a second. Yeah, so what I have taken out of here is the toolkit. The new canvases will come in a different toolkit anyway, but obviously all Diamond Art Club canvases will come with your boat, your wax, your pen. You'll also get tweezers if it's a square. You will get a squishy and a four placer as well. So you get everything that you need. We get a little tiny picture of our canvas with all the details telling us it's Jeremiah Kettner, telling us it's round, and it is 51 by 64. This is a great size for sticking on the end of your box if you need to put them in storage, or you can use these as logbook stickers. They're a really good size for that as well. We also get our big sticker. This whole sheet is a sticker. This will tell you how old this canvas is. It does not have pre-cut stickers. The newer canvases from Diamond Art Club do have pre-cut stickers, but here I'm gonna have to chop these ones out myself, but that's fine. So we can see here that we have got 35 colours and a mixture of alphanumeric and symbols. We have got how many ABs? Let's have a look. Right, so let's get into this. I think it's 3 AB, 2 or 3 ABs. So this absolutely gorgeous sort of dark but still pastel owl, midnight owl. This is a self-flattening canvas. If you leave it out for a little while, it will flatten itself. But another quick way to do it is to just pull back and release some of the tension. Get this. I cannot wait to start working on this. I've been super excited. Couldn't wait for the new year. So here we are. So you can see, I'll just bring you down a bit. There we go. So you can see there are some nice sized areas here of colour blocking in this background. And then you've got a bit more variation when it comes to the details in the feathers of the owl. But all the while, lots of opportunities for multi-placing. Shouldn't take too long to work this up at all. Really lovely, really, really pretty. So we'll have a little look at the drills and then we'll figure out where these ABs are going to go. Okay, so quick run through the drills. So we've got 2 big bags here of 803. It's a lovely sort of royal blue colour. And then we've got 165, nice big bag of the bright yellow, so you can see that's probably going to end up going into those eyes. 823, we've got 3 big bags of that. We've got no 310 in this canvas, so we're going to be using dark blues in place Like we've got 939, which is the sort of the darkest colour that we've got. 2 bags of 312, 208, 2 bags of 322, 2 bags of 334, 375, 702, 744, and we've got our first AB here. You can just see that glinting there. So AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's the name for the northern lights. So it just gives that little rainbow reflection that will come off those drills. And that is 129. So it's a pale lemony yellow. We've got 3823. Our next AB, which is this sort of lime green colour, 135, and we've got 3608. Moving on, these are all smaller bags. We've got 209, 704, 3837, lovely purple colour. Some bright green there, 703, 701, 3855, 3607, 327, 954, 992, 550, that's my favourite colour, 333, 913, 700, 434, 435, 436, 718, 699 and 3609. So you can see you're only going to get just a little sprinkling of those last few colours. So we've got the 2 ABs, which is 129, which is the number 1, and 135, which is the number 2. So let's have a look at where those are going to go on the canvas. So all of these number 2s that you can see around the edge of these leaves, that is all going to be the green AB. So that's going to highlight this vine that the owl is sitting on. And then number 1, we're going to see that's here in the lighter part of the eyes. So we're going to get some lovely yellow there and a little bit around the outside. So yeah, what I have done is I have picked up some glow drills to go into the stars in the background. So if I show you on here, you can see you've got the moon and the stars. And so yeah, I picked up some glow drills, which I'm going to use for that. They came from Roe Diamonds, sadly no longer trading, but when they were having their closing down sale, I made a point of getting in there and purchasing some. So, as I say, I'm doing this for the Jeremiah Kettner event. That is being run by Painting with the Pitties. I will pop links to their channel and socials down in the description. I'll also put all the pricing details for this canvas, which is still available from Diamond Art Club. Currently it is available for $49.99. So obviously convert that to whatever country you're in. But yeah, in dollars it's just under $50. 33 colours with 2 Aurora Borealis. So I am super excited to get started, and I think I'm going to leave this here, get kitted up, and then probably the next time you see this, it will be well on its way to being done. This event runs for the month of January. I am doing this event and also taking part in the DP Big Butts 23 event, which is all about body positivity. So I've got my little chonky owl here, as well as the canvas that I'm specifically doing for Big Butts. But I thought this was quite cute and worked for both. I've also just finished a couple of months of doing square diamond paintings, so fancied a round as a bit of a change. So that's all from me for today. Please do check out my links down below if you want to save a little bit of money with Diamond Art Club. You can get yourself $10 off your first order. Do make use of all of the codes down in the description below. They are there for you to use. I will see you in my next video. Until then, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!